Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your trophies from your friends or other players on your PlayStation 5, or maybe just hide one specific trophy so they don't see what kind of games you're playing. Well, to do this, let's go up to our profile, then go to trophies. Then when this loads, press options just anywhere. Then we want to go to privacy settings. Then go to gaming history. And then we can go to where it says who can see your gaming history or activity. So this is going to say please wait, it loads, who can see your gaming history. So if we want to do every game, we can go to here and just set this to no one. Then nobody can see our gaming history through our trophies. Otherwise we can go one option down, hide your games from other players, hide games so they don't appear on your profile or in your gaming history. So this will reflect in your trophies as well, so you can just choose one specific game to hide from your friends as opposed to everything. Now we can go back to the trophies, and you can also delete a trophy too. So if you press options, you have an option to delete it on the top right. You can see delete. Otherwise, you can go to privacy settings once again. It says hidden games under here now. We can go to hidden games, and this will directly go to hide from other players. And it'll go to this section too. So you can hide your trophies from your friends by going in this section. Makes it really easy. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.